You know, I've been reading a lot online this morning about what people are saying about the Renters' Right Act that came in on the 1st of May 2026, and they're not right. They're getting it wrong. Yes, things have changed drastically, the biggest changes in 20 years in the rental market. And Section 21 is one of those big changes that's been taken away. It's no longer possible for you to give someone a no reason eviction on a 2-month notice basis. But on the other side, the Section 8 has been enhanced. There's a lot more involved in Section 8, and Section 8's always been there. If your tenant doesn't pay rent, you can still evict them quite quickly. If your pet tenant is misbehaving, is doing something illegal, you can still evict them. If they're causing nuisance to the neighbours, you can still evict them. There are lots of rules in there still, and it's all still protecting you as the landlord, and well as protecting the tenant. Click on the link below if you want to get my 2026 Survival Toolkit and an in-depth dive of 20-minute video on what I've found and what's actually happening in the market right now.